Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I want to talk to you today about unfiled tax returns, backfiled tax returns, and how to make this a real easy process for you. I used to be a person who used to summons, go out, make you come in the office, prepare your back tax returns. I could do really nasty stuff on any cases when I was a former IRS agent. But for the person today who hasn't filed in many years, and there's millions of people, I bet you I get 20 calls a week, maybe 25 calls a week on unfiled tax returns. And people need to know there's a really easy process to get back in the system. It's not half as hard as people think. Let me just explain the process of getting back in the system. So first of all, you pull an IRS transcript. It's free. You can go on irs.gov and pull up your tax transcripts, find out what IRS has on you. You pull up a record of account. You can do it yourself and pull up your W-2s and 1099s. See if IRS has anything on you. Number two, you only have to file the last 6 years. Number three, if you don't have records, if you go to anyone worth their salt, they can reconstruct your tax return, so it's not a big deal. So when those we can reconstruct tax returns every day. When we file that tax return for you, you're going to get a bill. But when you get the bill, we already know ahead of time what the result's going to be, because we will look at your financial statement like IRS does, because that's what I used to do. And how you're going to resolve the case will be predetermined already by us, because we know what we're going to do, and that's completely dependent on your financial statement. It's so easy to get back in the system. People just have no idea what it is, but that's it. How long does the process take? Well, by the time you get your tax returns filed and get all your bills, it's probably a 6-week process. But at the end of the day, you'll have this big pressure off you. I know it'll come off you because I know how much stress it causes on people. So anyway, I just want to let you know, if you need to get back in the system, let us know. There's a really easy process to do that. I'm a former agent. I've worked thousands of cases. Oh, by the way, I wrote a book called IRS Settlements. It's a best-selling book. Anyway, I just thought I'm not pushing the book. I just want to let you know, you get back in the system, you're going to have to at some point. Thank you for listening today. Give me a subscription. I appreciate you.